Hi, everyone. If you're at this step now, that means you've already joined Lead Skimmer or you're just walking through the process just to see what this is all about because you're in my share center. So the next step in this process is that you're going to need to have the Facebook graph search, okay? Because we're going to search in different ways and we're going to narrow down our searches and things like that. And it works great with Facebook graph search. So if your search doesn't look like this, if it looks like the old way, what you're going to do now is you're going to go on Google. You're going to go on Google search, or you're going to search on Google, right? And you're going to, let me just go from here. Matter of fact, let me go back. You're going to search face graph search. That's what you're going to search on. You're going to do introducing graph search, right? And you're going to click on that, and it's going to take you to this Facebook graph search. And what you're going to do is that you're going to try graph search. And then you're going to sign up. You can watch the video and they show you a little bit about what Facebook graph search does. But you're going to kind of need it for what we're doing here. So we're going to I clicked on MLM, and we're going to be selecting people from these groups, just as I selected you. And I'm going to walk you through the entire process of how this goes. We're going to be using, again, targeted methods so that people will be targeted specifically for your product or item or whatever it is that you want to do. We're going to have demographics, everything that you could do to target your leads. And then I'm going to share with you how this works. And you, like I said, you're going to fall off your chair when you hear how easy this is. So now that I've said that, that's it for this part. I want you to do two things at this junction right now. If you haven't already signed up for Lead Skimmer, sign up at this point, okay? Don't even go to the next video until you sign up for this point. Number two, if you're not already on Facebook graph search, sign up for that. I don't know if it takes a while for you to get in, because at first it didn't take long, but I don't know if there's a process. I've heard there is a process. Once your graph search is done or it's completed, then you do step three, which is in the next video, I'm going to tell you to get with me. We're going to have a little chat. We're going to talk about your business. We're going to talk about who you are, what you do, everything like that, because I want to have a relationship with each and every person that comes in. So I'm going to share with you where to contact me and how to get in contact with me. And we're going to sit down and chat, okay? And if that's something that you don't want to do, then this process is not going to work, because it's part of the process. It's part of the process of gaining success and targeting your leads. It's part of the process. So if you don't want to get on the phone, you're giving me phony numbers and stuff like that, you're not keeping your appointment, then you're seriously just going to keep doing what you're doing. This is really not for you. I'm just being very blunt about it because, again, you want to do three things: get leads, convert the leads, and get retention. And if the person who's watching this video doesn't care about connecting with people and building a relationship, then it really doesn't, it's mute at this point. You might as well just continue doing what you're doing. But if you want to really take your marketing to the next level, get to the next level of your success, and I'm telling you this is so easy, then what you're going to do is go into the next video, going to set up an appointment with me. We're going to get on the phone. We're going to talk through how this whole thing works. I'm going to share my screen with you. We're going to go through everything, and you're going to be like, wow, I never really thought it could be that easy. Okay? So take care. See you in the next video, and let's get this started for you. Take care.